AI builds the model, you make the call. My name is Andrew Stotz, and I want to talk about your value in the age of AI. AI can already help you collect data, summarize annual reports, research companies, write code, and build parts of a financial model. That work is just getting faster. But you can build a polished model on a bad assumption. An AI tool may continue to follow a historical growth rate even as the industry changes. It may produce a professional-looking valuation without questioning whether the margin forecast is realistic. And it will not take responsibility when the conclusion is wrong. A person still has to decide what matters. A person has to question the assumptions, challenge the forecast, and decide whether the conclusion really makes sense. That is professional judgment. And as more of the mechanical work becomes easier, judgment becomes more valuable. One way we develop that judgment in the boot camp is through peer review. You are not only defending your own work. You have to look at another student's report and ask, does the evidence support the claim? Do the forecasts match the story? Would I be willing to stand behind this conclusion? That changes the way you look at analysis. You stop being impressed by a clean output. You start examining the thinking underneath it. AI can give you speed, but your professional value comes from knowing what the work means and being willing to defend the call. This is how you think like an analyst, and you prove it with 4 equity research reports.